Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you one way to draw a frog. Okay? I learned this from a book and I'm going to show it to you. So, I've got a pencil and some markers and some crayons and paper. So what you do first, start with your pencil and draw up. That's its body, and there's its little eye thing. Come on over and draw up again for the little eye and down. Okay? And then over, and I'm gonna connect that. So there's its little body and its eyes. So then you can put its little eyes in there. All right. And even make a little smile. Whee! You can do a little thing on the corner if you want. Okay, now we're gonna do the front arms. So they're gonna come from about here, come down, and then make little pointy fingers. And come back up and connect it there, okay? In fact, it could even come inside of the body a little. And then over here, we're gonna do another one. Pointy fingers, back up, kind of skinny arms. Okay, then the little back legs. So I'm coming there. Over here's his little knee. Come down, make the little pointy fingers. Oop, I made that kind of wonky. And then, but that's all right, it's cool. Here's part of his leg coming from behind. And then here comes the other part. Boink, 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 boink. And then back up. See that? Now see, we got lines all over and stuff, right? But we can erase them. So, now erase all the lines that cross over each other. Ooh, that's not a very good eraser, is it? Okay. Oh, that's a good thing to check your eraser. But anyway, I'm gonna color this in, so it's okay. Now, I'm gonna take a marker and go over it. You can use whatever color you want. I'm gonna use this green color. I'm gonna go over the lines I drew in pencil. I don't think I'll go over his eyes. It's okay if you sort of don't exactly. See, I kind of didn't exactly make the line. That's okay. And your frog's gonna look like your frog looks. And my frog looks like my frog looks. And that's cool. And there's the rest of his little body going down, and maybe a little there. I think I will do his smile though. And then I'm gonna give him a little belly button, even though frogs don't probably have belly buttons. Okay, so then you can make your frog any color you want. I'm gonna make my frog orange. See that? And if you wanted to, you could go in there and erase all your pencil lines that are showing. Maybe I'll give him orange front legs. And a different color back legs. Why not? He doesn't have to be green, right? This is a made-up frog. And that's what's fun about drawing stuff, right? It's not really a frog. It's a drawing. And then I think I'll give him a pink inside. Ha! That's funny. Maybe a different color belly. Maybe I'll give him a yellow belly. I like how the colors blend like that. Make a different color where you cover over some other colors. Okay, so there's my little frog. I wonder what yours look like. I'd love to see it. And do you know what frog means? Somebody told me this once. I'm gonna show you. F-R-O G, frog. Fully relying on God. Fully relying on God, frog. So have a happy day and hop around, and I hope you have fun drawing a frog. Love you guys.